Hi, today we will make RC robot which can control by smartphone. So let's get started. You can also control this robot by accelerometer sensor of your smartphone. So for that we required L298N motor control module which is dual full bridge driver, so we can control two motors. I soldered some jumper wire to control pins. You will find more information about pins in my blog. I will use homemade body. I use two motors in both sides, total 4 motors. So I connect two motors in parallel. You can use only two motors, but you have to add shaft for another two wheels. Arduino Uno is the brain of this robot. I will use three 18650 cells in series connection for 12 volt to powering up this robot. If you make a battery pack, use BMS for good health of your cells. And of course, wheels is also required. This is normal robotic vehicle wheels. And last but not least, HC05 Bluetooth module for communicate to smartphone. This particular model has 5 volt logic level tolerance. Others may not. I create simple code. Upload this code to Arduino. You can use Uno, Nano or Pro Mini. You will find code in description. Now make all connection according to diagram. I also add front light and back lights in code. I did not connect lights. You also add some other things like horn or laser or anything. You can control this robot by using Android application. You will find also application link in description. Application is very easy, so you can understood by seeing it. If you have any question, feel free to comment. You can make 3D printed case or cardboard case for giving good look. Here I use cardboard piece, so there will be no shorts occur with body. Now let us secure all components with tape, so during running condition it will not fall. Now let's test it. Power on the robot and you can see red LED is flashing quickly. Now I connect robot with smartphone. When LED blinks for 2 times for every second, that means your robot is connected. And yes, before you start application, you have to pair your Bluetooth module with smartphone. Pairing password is 1234 or 0000. As you can see, it works fine. It can go in any direction. From here you can control the speed. In very low speed, robot will unable to run. I fixed this in code. If you want any tutorial or any project video, then comment it. If possible, I will definitely make it. If you like the video, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe for interesting project and tutorials. Thank you for watching.